107.54 is our base of long-term support. We've been recommending that you could buy this channel bottom in anticipation of upward rotation in the coming 2 to 3 weeks, 3 to 5 at the most, into the mid 130s. In fact, we have other elements in that area. 138.30 is a new channel top that is probably a more properly representing trend resistance on more of a near to midterm basis. Having tested 107.78, and that is actually 107.54 on the daily chart, we maintain a 3 to 5 week upside objective at 138.30, where profits can be taken and a short can be set through April, and we could fall back. We could fill that wedge out between 107.78 and 138.30 for the next couple of months, perhaps. But if we close below 107.78 at the end of the week by a full 1% margin, and once again, we're using the daily chart version, 106.46, 1% below 107.54 on the daily chart. If we close below 107.54 by a full 1% margin, then we have a sell signal. But for safekeeping, you could wait for a settlement below 103.68 on an intra-week basis. And I think that is the better way to play this. You can buy 107.54 and you stop out below 103.68. Bottom line, bullish above 107.54 through April or into April, bearish below 103.68. So if we close below 103.68, that begins to suggest, if you will, 76.89 over the next month or two. If we were to close the week below this 107.78 channel bottom, which is 107.54 on the daily chart, regardless really of whether we also violate the 103.68 channel bottom. But if we close at 106.46, especially at the end of the week, then we enter a sell signal that should within a month or two yield 76.89. 2-year channel bottom that may well contain selling not only through the second quarter, but even through the rest of the year. And working upside today, we do have 112.34. We could trade inside the 107.54 to 112.34 area potentially all day long. The settlement above 112.34 as the beginning of a bullish rotation into the upper 130s within 3 to 5 weeks or less. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.